how to backup and restore your Wix website. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can backup and restore your Wix website. So for that, the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Wix.com. Once when you log in, you can see that you will be redirected here on this home page. And there are multiple things that you can do on this home page. You can also call it dashboard if you want, and you can go to the home section, the getting paid section, event section, sales, blogs, app marketplace. You know that Wix also has an app marketplace. You can also check out the site and mobile app of your website, inbox to see if you have got any emails, or a plethora of things that you can do. But in this video, what we are going to do is we are going to see how the site backups and how to restore it. So in order to backup a site, you need to click on Design Site and open the website editor. Now, this is where your website will be uh, created. You can say that. And you can add anything you want, anything that you like. And once when you're done creating, or you want to take a break and you want to continue it next day, but just to be safe, just to be on the safe side, you need to save this website. So what you can do, you can create a backup of this website so that if you want to use it again, if you want to continue the designing again tomorrow, you can just continue it from there. So in order to backup, you need to click on save and it will be automatically saved. So this is how you create a backup. For example, let me click save here and the website will be saved. Okay, perfect. Okay. Now, if we need to restore it, if we need to restore our website to a previous version, for example, we made a change here on this website and we did not like it and we want to restore it to the previous version rather than going step by step back, which is very time taking and tedious, we can just restore our website back to a previous version. So for that, what do we need to do? We need to click on site history, go to site history. And here you can see that all these versions of our website are already presented, like saved by us. So starting from 29 January 2025 to May 17, we have all these versions of our website. We can click on any version we want and then we can click on restore and that version will be opened up, in the main website editor. You can also view the website if you want to from here to see if that is the restore version you want or not. And then you can just click on restore and it will be restored. So that's how you do it. That's how you create a website backup and restore it. Please do give this video a like if you found it informative and also subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.